One devotee said, I tried close to the nature. She is trying to be close to the nature. You have the mind. How can you close to the nature? Your body identification and your mind not suitable to be close to the nature because you are separate to the nature. So there is only obstacle is body identification. You have body identification, you are the body. How you become the nature? You have the body. That body doesn't allow you to be close to the nature. So you have up and downs in your mind, like, dislike, good, bad, love, hate, up and downs. If you are balanced, if you have balance, then possible to be close the nature. Otherwise, your mind is separate to the nature. So, if you have balanced state of mind, then possible. There is a rock, stone. If you throw the stone into the water, it doesn't mix into the water. It is separate to the water. If you throw sugar dal in the water, then slowly the dal will disappear. So, if you have balanced mind, then perfect understanding is possible. Then there is no difference to the nature and to you. If your mind has balance, then the nature also not different to you. It is not separate to you. Because the balanced mind is suitable to be one possible with balanced mind. Otherwise, there is duality. You and nature, that is mind. You are the nature. You are the nature means no difference with the nature. Means if you see the tree, you have balanced mind. There is no difference to you and the tree. You are the tree. You are the tree. If you are not the mind, you are not the body, then you are the tree. So, if you have no ego or if you have balanced mind, then if you see any objects of the world, you are that only. You are not separate. I saw the bottle. water bottle. I am the water bottle. No difference to me and the bottle. That difference created by the ego only. If we have no ego, no difference, no differences. So, you see the wind, no body to you, no mind to you, then you are the wind. You see the flower, no body, no mind to you, then you are the flower. You have no body, no mind, then you are the love. There is no love. If you are separate, then there is love. No body, no mind, then you are the love. If you see any beings of the world, only you are the love. Definitely you loved that. You are the love, your nature is love. There is no differences. So, Ramana Maharshi loved monkeys, snakes, peacocks, crows, cows, all creatures, all beings, all animals he loved. So that is not body love, no body identification. Love means kindness, compassion. So those are no differences to any objects. So you are the love, you are the compassion, you are the kindness. So no difference. Then they are happy. You are also happy. If they are separated to you, some problems. So if you want to be close to the nature, it is possible some seconds, but again you have the difference with the nature. So if you have no body and mind, then you are the nature. You are the nature. Nature is in you. You are the nature, no difference to you and the nature. Both are one. So that is, the God is everywhere. So no difference to the God with any beings of the world, because no body, no mind to him. So the world is in him. He is the world. No particular limits, no separation. So if you close, if you are the nature, where are the difficulties? Where are the worries and problems? You are the nature. You are not the body, you are the nature. Is there any troubles and worries? No. So if you are separate to the nature, then problem. So watch. If the watcher inside disappear, then you are the one. The seer is obstacle. That seer make difference. If there is no seer, everything is one. If there is seer, so there is separation. You are seeing because it is separate to you. There is separation. Everything is separate to you. So you have desires and you want to that. You want that one. No differences. You are that. So do you have any desire? No desire. If it is separate, then you have the desire. I want that, I want that. So that separation created the ego. So I said one example 40 years back. I went to one of the meeting. One guru came from Himalayas. He said, he announced in the public meeting, you cut my hand with a knife, then you apply water continue to that wound, then I will cure without medicine within 1 week, he said. I have that power. I have that miracles, he said. Then he said, I want to go to Himalayas. I will do meditation to walk in the sky. I want to walk in the wind, in the wind. So for that purpose, I am going to Himalayas. I will do penance. Then I laughed. I laughed. All are silence in the meeting. 40 years back, means my age may be 38, 37. I am the youngster among all devotees. So then all are seeing me with an astonished. What is this? He is laughing. All are silent. Why he is laughing? Then that guru became very angry on me. Who laughed? Who is that person? Then all they said, Sivan, Sivan, he laughed, he laughed. They showed me. Then he said, stand up, stand up. Why you are laughing? Is it a silly thing? Is it a joke to you? Why you come here? What is your eligibility to laugh you? To laugh my talks? He said, I don't know, Swamiji. I don't know why I laughed. Suddenly laugh came to me. So I laughed. Then, no, no, no. Tell me the reason. What happened to you? They forced me. Then I said, you said, I want to go in the air. I want to walk in the wind. Suddenly, I have that experience of, I am the wind. I am the wind. Is there necessary additionally to walk in the wind? I am the wind. What is necessary to walk in the wind? Oh, do we have such experience? I don't know. Maybe that is experience or suddenly it happened to me. Then he called me. You remove your shirt. I removed my shirt. You removed the banyan. You removed the bare body. Only I have inside drawer. Then I stand before him. Then he came. He touched me. Then he touched from top, bottom to below. Continuously he touched. Then finally he said, yes, you are correct. Because you are following the non-duality. I am following duality. That is the difference. So I want to walk in the wind because wind is separate to me. So I want to walk in the wind. You said, you are the wind. This is non-duality. So your method is correct. My method is correct. Because my method is duality. Your method is non-duality. So both are correct. You are good boy. Okay, okay. So if we have no body identification, then the body disappears. Then no differences. No differences. Your body identification created the difference. Otherwise, no any different to anybody. So Bhagavan said, he saw the snake, no difference to me. He said, you have this body. He is one of the great soul. He is the saint. He came with that skin of snake. Do you know? You don't know. I know. He is great sadhu. He came with that skin to visit me. He came for my blessings. So he loved all animals, all beings. He loved because no differences to him. No difference. So that is real life. Differences, that is mind. Throughout life, you have differences. You don't know the reality. You don't know the correct one. It is not possible throughout life to know the correct. Because you said sometimes correct, other times not correct. So you don't know which is correct, which is the truth, which is permanent. So that is not a mind. So if you have no mind, then possible. Mind means duality. If there is no dualities, there is no mind. Mind disappears. Only Supreme Power will remain. Supreme Power, no any differences. Because Supreme Power has no body, no mind. So no differences. If you have body and mind, you have the difference and thinking, memory, understanding, correct or fault, everything you know. But Supreme Power, no mind, no thinking. So no differences. It is always. So mind, it is not always. So without mind, awareness, then possible. There is mind, but no attachment with your mind. But consciousness is necessary. Consciousness without attachment of thoughts, then possible. Anyhow, mind is illusion. All teachings, they are going into the air. If they enter in your mind, there is forgetfulness in your mind, so waste. So meditation, inquiry is best method, so silence.